I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, February 22, 2022. Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, has shortlisted 6 major projects for which the government is seeking to attract potential investments from the United Arab Emirates, UAE. They are the Caymanas Special Economic Zone, Just Fruits and Vegetables Limited, JFBL Agriculture, Bamboo Bioproducts, the Soapberry Wastewater Treatment Plant, Aerotropolis Vernam Field, and Kingston Logistics Park. Details were outlined on Friday by the president of JAMPRO, Diane Edwards, during a country briefing with the UAE and other multinational business interests attending Expo 2022 Dubai. She highlighted that the projects offer a mix of space for warehousing, manufacturing, and logistics. Ms. Edwards further emphasized that the Kingston Logistics Park offered a near-port facility for value-added production in a special economic zone environment that's focused on export. JAMPRO's president encouraged the business stakeholders attending the briefing to take advantage of Jamaica's exciting and diverse investment opportunities.
It has really almost all the elements that a modern business wants to leverage, to grow, and to thrive. So Jamaica is open for business. Jamaica wants your business. Jamaica wants to work with Dubai and become a partner with Dubai in creating a prosperous future for both of us.
Government continues to strengthen the mobility of the security forces with the addition of 6 protected mobility vehicles for the Jamaica Defense Force JDF. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the recent acquisition will add significant capacity to the country's disaster response capabilities. It should also give increased visibility and presence in communities that are now challenged with high violence and crime.
In fact, my understanding is that these vehicles will also help with the new joint task force that was established to treat with gangs between the JCF and the JDF. So this is an improved capability that will help us to be able to seriously tackle the crime situation that we are facing. The
Prime Minister was speaking at the Bushmaster Protected Mobility Vehicles Commissioning Ceremony at Up Park Camp yesterday. Head of the JDF, Rear Admiral Antoinette Weems-Gorman, describes the acquisition of the vehicles as a natural step given the island-wide deployment of the JDF.
They will provide us with the increased capability to deploy PMV units within the respective geographical commands to enhance the effectiveness of the troops on the ground.
The 6 Thales Bushmaster Protected Mobility Vehicles bring the total number to 18. They consist of 3 ambulances and 3 troop carrier variants. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, which represents over 20,000 teachers, has accepted the government's 4% wage increase. The package also includes incentives such as a one-time payment of $40,000. The signing took place yesterday with Minister of Finance Dr. Nigel Clark. It puts the government one step closer to settling the 12-month heads of agreement with public sector groups so it can start the compensation review process. Minister Clark welcomed the decision by the teachers.
I pledge to work with you over the upcoming year and the years to follow in the restructuring of public sector compensation in a way that inures to the benefit of teachers today and in the future.
The compensation review is intended to overhaul the structure of salaries and other emoluments in the public service to make them more equitable. JTA President Winston Smith says the teachers will always put the interest of the country at the forefront.
We are expecting that as we move beyond this point, that our deliberation, discussion, and of course compensation will be more aligned with what the fiscal realities of the countries are as it relates to our salary and compensation, as it relates to inflation rate, and of course the opportunity of sustainability within the profession.
And finally, healthcare workers will be better able to offer cancer screening and awareness training in rural and underserved communities following the handover of a bus to the Jamaica Cancer Society. The 15-seater 2021 Toyota Hiace bus was bought at a cost of $43,000. It was donated by the Rotary Club of St. Andrew North and Corporate Jamaica and handed over on Monday at the Jamaica Cancer Society office in Kingston. State Minister for Health Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn expressed gratitude for the donation, which she says will assist interventions to deal with non-communicable diseases such as cancer.
In 2020, prostate, breast cancer, cervical and colorectal cancers were among those linked with the most cancer death on the island. So we must get the word out. We must go out into, as you said, into the rural communities, because there's still so many myths out there about what cancer is.
According to Minister Cuthbert-Flynn, approximately 20,000 men and women are screened annually through the Jamaica Cancer Society. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.